pistol, I don't have my gun when I shoot.
Hey guys, it's Matt and welcome back to the channel. Finally, for my AOS 5.5 perfect freestyle build, the motors arrived and my choice here is the FPV CYCLE 5-inch 25mm motor from KababFPV, who designed that thing, and the community says that this is one or maybe the greatest motor ever made. To find out what all the magic is about, I was really excited and ordered quite a bit, especially now for doing this freestyle build. Let's roll the intro.
With you the sun is shining 24/7. Cause when we're together it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark you'll be...
Hey guys, it's Matt and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the choice of engines for my perfect freestyle build. The frame is now decided to be the AOS 5.5. The motors just came in and I went with the FPV CYCLE 5-inch 25mm engines from KababFPV. Everyone in the community says that those engines are great, including Joshua Bardwell, who put them on his perfect freestyle build quite recently. All these pilots are way more experienced than I am, so I really trust their choice and I'm excited for taking a look at the second version of this motor, which is improved over the first one, which had even technical issues. But even though the first version was loved by so many, so the second cannot be worse, right? I will choose this motor for my freestyle builds from now going forward. That's why the magic is here already, that I ordered a little bit more than I need just for one freestyle build. Besides, all the engineering and thoughts went into this engine to make it perform great. As well, I think, is the design of the just appearance of that engine. It looks just great, that clean white Stormtrooper look. Then the branding of the Imperial version of that motor goes hand in hand with that. And in the bell, the coils on the side resemble the Mark of the Empire, and it's really all coming together. A great fun design, and thank God KababFPV seems to be a huge Star Wars fan. With that, we are one significant step closer to finish the AOS 5.5-inch build. A bit bigger than a 5-inch, but it is good to have the ability to run bigger props if needed, but also having the 5-inch category and running 5-inch props without any problems. I hope you guys enjoy the build series until this point, and going forward there will be more exciting content to come. How will the AOS 5.5 turn out to be in the end? We will find out. For that, please like and subscribe, that would really help out the channel a lot and me to produce more content for you. And as always guys, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of the day, stay safe and see you in the next one.